Think you've seen every tool out there? Think again. We're about to reveal 20 incredible tools packed with genius engineering, clever features, and innovations so smart they might make your current toolbox jealous. From satisfying solutions to jaw-dropping inventions, these tools are guaranteed to leave you amazed. The blue Spruce Indexable Joiners Combination Square takes a classic woodworking tool and gives it a genius upgrade. With precise 90-degree reference faces and built-in dovetail angles, it makes laying out perfect joinery faster, easier, and incredibly accurate. It's the kind of tool that makes woodworkers smile and mistakes disappear. The LASH 360 is a tile leveling system that keeps tiles aligned and grout lines consistent for a smooth, professional finish. The caps and stems help prevent uneven edges during installation. Then the stems snap off cleanly after the mortar sets for easy cleanup. Need a safer way to reach those awkward high spots? The Batavia Telescopic Scaffold delivers a sturdy, stable platform while staying surprisingly lightweight thanks to its aluminum design. It sets up quickly, moves around with ease, and stores compactly, making working at height less of a hassle and a lot more convenient. Moving bricks one by one? Not anymore. The TessPaver is a heavy-duty brick cart built to haul up to 60 bricks at once, saving time, energy, and a whole lot of back pain. With rugged powder-coated steel construction, a 250-kilogram load capacity, and puncture-proof tires, it glides across the job site like a brick-moving champion. This 16 volts impact drill delivers up to 58 Newton-meters of torque with a 2-speed gearbox for both precision and power. Featuring a keyless chuck, adjustable clutch settings, LED battery indicators, and a comfortable soft grip handle, it's built for versatile drilling and fastening tasks. Small box, big convenience. The USAG Bilateral Box keeps your sockets organized and easy to find with clearly engraved size markings. No more guessing games. Its soft touch exterior adds extra grip and protection, while the sturdy metal clip keeps everything locked in place. Compact, practical, and built to make every toolbox a little smarter. The Sunjoe Electric Pressure Washer packs powerful cleaning performance into a compact design, delivering up to 2,000 pounds per square inch to remove dirt, grease, and stains from cars, patios, driveways, and more. With 4 spray tips, a foam cannon, and easy portability, it makes outdoor cleaning fast and hassle-free. Say goodbye to guesswork. The Direct Read Torque wrench delivers plus or minus 4% accuracy and features an easy-to-read display, so you can dial in the perfect torque every time. Its automatic reset click mechanism, sealed ratchet, and comfortable soft grip handle make it feel less like a tool and more like a precision superhero for your toolbox. Drilling tough materials just got a serious upgrade. The Aqua Drill Pro AS combines a built-in water feed system, adjustable speeds, and torque control for smooth, precise drilling. Powered by a powerful 18-volt amp-share battery, it delivers reliable performance while staying easy to handle. It's like having a drilling expert in your hands without the coffee breaks. Tiny tool, huge helper. This electric screwdriver kit is perfect for DIY projects and everyday fixes, making stubborn screws surrender in seconds. With adjustable torque settings, a built-in LED light, magnetic bit holder, and a variety of bits, it's like carrying a mini repair shop in your hand, minus the expensive service bill. The GO12 Ratchet tool is a heavy-duty forged steel tool designed for specialized fastening tasks. Available in versions for blind rivets, rivet nuts, or lock bolts, it handles a wide range of sizes and materials while delivering reliable performance in a compact 1-kilogram design. Fastening wire by hand? That's old news. The Hog Ring Gun is a cordless powerhouse powered by a 20-volt battery, making hog ring installation quick, precise, and effortless. Whether you're working on fencing, wire, or mesh, this tool delivers reliable performance and portability, helping you get the job done faster and save your hands from a workout. Cleaning large areas doesn't have to feel like a full-time workout. The Makita 40-volt Max Walk Behind Sweeper uses a powerful brushless motor and a wide cleaning path to tackle dust and debris fast. With adjustable brush settings, automatic filter cleaning, and optional capacity upgrades, it keeps big spaces spotless while you do a lot less pushing and a lot more smiling. The XB500 cable roller is a compact, heavy-duty cable unwinder designed for smooth, tangle-free handling of cables, pipes, ropes, and drums. With a load capacity of up to 800 kilograms, it provides stable, secure operation while protecting finished flooring and preventing uncontrolled unwinding. The GWL-20BT portable work light combines a powerful 2,000-lumen LED light with built-in Bluetooth speakers for added convenience on the job. Featuring a rotating stand, USB charging, and up to 6 hours of battery life, it helps make workspaces brighter and more enjoyable. The Spin 15A is a lightweight continuous mixer designed for quickly blending dry pre-mixed materials with water. Easy to operate and clean, it delivers efficient, consistent mixing and can also be used for tile adhesives, insulation glues, or as part of a mixing and pumping system. Don't let its size fool you. The handheld drill motor is lightweight and compact, but it packs enough power to handle socket sinking up to 112 millimeters with ease. Built for speed, precision, and comfortable handling, it helps you drill like a pro without feeling like you just finished an arm workout. Perfect tile cuts without the headache? The automatic electric tile cutting machine makes it easy with precise straight, diagonal, and 45-degree cuts. A built-in laser guide keeps every cut on track, while the water cooling system helps everything run smoothly. Whether you're cutting ceramic, porcelain, or stoneware, this machine delivers pro-level results without the guesswork. The solid drill stand provides stable, precise, and depth-controlled drilling for greater accuracy and safety. Featuring a robust cast-iron base, adjustable depth stop, and secure drill mounting system, it offers reliable support for consistent drilling results across a variety of projects. Turning a circular saw into a precision cutting machine? That's exactly what the Milescraft RipSawGuide does. With its rugged all-metal construction, adjustable edge guide, and universal saw compatibility, it helps you make straighter, cleaner cuts through large sheets with ease. Less measuring, less frustration, and way fewer "oops, that wasn't straight" moments. Which tool blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you love discovering clever tools, crazy inventions, and game-changing gadgets, make sure to subscribe, because we've got plenty more amazing finds coming your way.